Hi friends, there was an issue in our two drop down list box video tutorial. So it was posted that the option selected in the first drop down list box is not holding. In fact, that is what I missed it. So if I am selecting here 6, you can see this is coming all the students of 6, but this option is again going back to 4. Now we will rectify that. Actually, this is a common requirement, so you can the same technique can be used to hold any value of a drop down list box. So we'll see that in coding, and you can see the part 1 of it if you are interested in the selection of two drop down interlinked two drop down list box. This is the same script we are working with. I just slightly changed the setting of my editor, so looking a bit different, but this is all the same page, same script. We'll just go to line number 29 where we are putting where we are capturing the selected value from the URL, that get concept. We'll move it little bit up. I'll just cut it from here and put it at line number 20 because I want to use now that cat value. So here inside the while loop we will write a if condition. If now say the value is our row, now class equal to, because you had to give a quote here, I feel, yeah. So this equal to the cat value, the whatever I am getting from the URL. This is the line number 20, here is the variable. So if this equal to cat, now let us write this here, fine. So if this is there, but I will slightly change this. Let me copy this first, put a else condition. I may forget the end loop also. So else, this is my else code block. I am just printing the same thing here. Here I will write that value selected, because in this case I am telling that if this class value is equal to whatever the cat value I am collecting from the URL, then add this option selected to this. Once it is selected, it should be now hold the value. So let's just save this. Sorry, let me just go to the tab. Yeah, refresh this. Fine. Now let's see whether it is holding or not. Yeah, it is holding. You can see I am going to, let's say 5. It's holding the value. It's not changing. Actually, this is already there in the main script at the site. Whatever the link is there, you can see that everywhere it is taken care. But this I missed here. Fine. So this is how we'll hold the value whatever is for the first drop down list.